Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about some special characters in Spring, how to use some special characters to Spring Retracts. So basically, if you go to this website, you can see we have a string being outputted. You can see. So how do you represent this? Something like a single quote, a literal single quote, or an apostrophe. How do you represent it in PHP? That's what we want to talk about this one. So basically, if you want to output this in PHP, basically say you can say echo this. So this would come out as this. You can see. Now, if you use single quotes like this, it will work because PHP will be reading this literal quote as end of string, which will be causing a problem. You can see error on line 5. So how do you solve that? That's why you should have the basic knowledge of string. So you use an escape character. This is it. So once you use this, you are telling PHP to ignore this code. This code and escape character is one of the special characters we have in PHP. You can see we have new line, return tab, vertical tab. You don't have to come out this thing. Your task at hand will determine the kind of character you use. So be rest assured that everything is fine. You don't need to jump back everything to your head. So basically, let's try and use new line. So if you want to use new line, you're going to put it like this. Now, if you're using new line, you put it in double quotes, double quotes. Now you're telling PHP that this high quality should start from another line. So if we do that, if we go to PHP, we are saying PHP Tuesday.php. You can see finding a high quality. You can see it's now on new line. So that's what you are doing with your escape character. So you can see the application here. You can see it's a new line, although this have been used using some styling. However, you get the idea of a new line. Basically, they use this in when you are sending mail. Sometimes you might want to send a mail to in terms of text message. Hello, welcome to our channel. You can see message. You use the augmented quality. Happy to have you. So we can echo message in PHP. Gives you. Once you do it like this without the new line, it gives you a straight line. You can see it gives you a straight line. However, once you put the new line or new tab, what does it give you? Now it will work on browser because browser will not read that tab, but it should work here. You can see a tab. If you use a new line, to work. You can see a new line. Basically, this is being used to format text. you are formatting your text. Let's say you are trying to send mail to people in your application, you can use this format. So that's the application. Another thing I want to talk about is a concept that is called uh, it's called uh, we have 4 different types of string retracts. First, it can be specified in 4 different ways. We have double quotes. We've talked about double quotes. Now, in double quotes, we could have something like this. We are passing a variable inside a string. So once you have this, it shows you your name. So you can do that. You can also have what's it called? You can do it like this. So yes, like this. It's the same thing. It's called variable interpolation. So it allows you to pass some variable. It allows you to pass some variable into your PHP. You can do some dynamic stuff here. So that's that about a string. We have a doc syntax. So how does doc syntax work? What does this as follow a rule? Once you start with something like this, you can see echo end ABC message. So I can pass in multiple line of text because I'm using here doc. So this is the work of doc. Yeah. So you can see here doc. Now I'm using end. So what does that give us? I'm storing it inside a variable, which is now you can see if I should go to my PHP server, you can see. So it allows me to write multiple statements in a string. So that's the function of airdrop. It's a very nice concept. I like it. When I have anytime I have complicated text, maybe in my HTML template, I use it. It allows me to write multi-line statements without stressing myself of thinking of all this new line. And I don't need that. I prefer this one. It's very, very fast and cool. I like it. So I can make decisions very fast. See, I don't need to be worried about new line. So that's that about that. You can read more on the documentation to know how different string literals can be represented in PHP. So I'm so much addicted to this documentation. It's very, very cool. Now we are in PHP 8.1. I think I'm using PHP 7. Okay, I'm going to bring 7.4. Anyway, guys, have a wonderful time. Thank you for your time. We are going to meet in another time.